Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2027 Grand Design Imagine. It's the 2670 MK. This is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used service and parts. We have a tandem axle, single slide on the camp side, and what's behind the door here, 3-burner cooktop. We also have a plug-in for your residential style plug-in, refrigerator and freezer. This naturally pulls out. And as I started to mention, we have a single slide on the campsite, and I'll see if I can squeeze through here just to show you, and a very large slide on the off-camp side. Let's get inside. You can see the stabilizing jacks and the setup. It's not the crank kind that you use your drill or your hand tool. There's the 2670 MK badging. As we step inside, now I personally think that with the entry of Brinkley into the market, I think Grand Design has stepped up their game, and this particular unit, in my opinion, shows it. Got the luckily that I don't have any power in this, but luckily that's in the halfway up mode, so it does have the televator. We have a fireplace, refrigerator, freezer, 3-burner cooktop, small oven, microwave oven, small island. We have a workstation here, which is very nice, and a hole to drop down your plugs or your cords to plug in, cabinets above, and then a nice window to let in some ventilation, and absolutely dream while you're, or daydream as it were, while you're working, and look out the window, make sure everything's okay outside, whether it's pets or people. Nice sized bathroom. So we have a skylight, exhaust fan. We also have ducted heating and cooling, LED lights throughout. And we have 2 drawers, cabinets, HVAC, TV backer board, and it's pre-wired, ready to go. We also have cubbies on both left and right with USB as well as residential plugins. So again, the 27s are coming in hot and heavy, and we'll keep posting them. Appreciate all the support. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.